Okay, can you use getType.display method as you iterate through the for each loop? No, you can't. Well, I mean, you kind of can. You can say getType, getMethod. But you can.
We will get complaints.
You wouldn't want to do that. You really wouldn't want to do that. Can you run it again? Yeah. Notice how we get the person display. We don't get the employee display. We get the person display, even though Nelson Lackey is an employee. He's not just a person. He's also an employee. So right now, this method is only getting invoked right here. There's no way for us to alter the behavior of this method inside of our base or our child types because they're just hiding the member. They're not actually redefining it. There's no problem with the list type person holding a variable from the employee class. No, none at all. Perfectly valid, perfectly legal, very commonly used. Solves a lot of problems.
Yep.